Hello kids! Today we draw eyeshadow palette. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please watch the full video.
Against the rules, it made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near.
Now it's coloring time. Golden color.
Why does the lamb love Mary so? Mary so, Mary so. Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why
Black.
Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Sky blue. Red.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock.
Yellow.
The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Orange.
The clock struck 2. Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Cobalt blue.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck 3. Fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick
Pink.
tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4.
Brown.
Ran the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.